Welcome to our YouTube video on machining. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what machining is in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Machining is a manufacturing process that removes material from a workpiece using cutting tools to create a desired shape, size, or surface finish. Common machining processes include turning, milling, drilling, and grinding. Think of machining like sculpting wood or metal. You remove excess material carefully to achieve the exact shape you want. So, why is it so beneficial? Because it is essential for producing precise and high-quality components, enables complex designs, and ensures that manufactured parts meet strict engineering specifications. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.